Welcome to this video for getting started with PAS using the default site and Ethernet communications with the SATEC meter. To begin, locate the default site and perform a right-click configuration. Next, select the model to communicate with, in this case, EM133-XM. Next, select the Connection tab and configure the IP address of the SATEC meter, which is by default 192.168.0.203. Number of retries, or wait for answer, can be increased if necessary. The dedicated port for Modbus TCP is 502. Select Modbus TCP as the protocol. Select Apply and OK. Check that communications are set. To do this, go to the Windows Start menu, select Settings, choose Network and find the Ethernet port. Here select Edit on DHCP settings and then choose Manual and next IPv4. Now configure your computer's local IP address as required. For this example, selected is 192.168.0.200, which is a unique address on the network. 255.255.255.0 is the default subnet mask to configure. The gateway can stay blank at this stage and select Save. The computer IP address is now on the same subnet and configured different from the meter. Use the command prompt by typing CMD and selecting command prompt. Check the IP address of the meter by typing in the command prompt ipconfig and pressing enter. This shows the IP address of your computer ports. Next, using in the command prompt, type ping 192.168.0.203 and press enter. A successful ping request will reply with successful connections. In the settings, we can configure and select the meter, making sure our IP address matches the one communicating over port 502 locally. Finally, select Monitor Online and then right-click on the Properties page to display configuration settings, such as the serial number, firmware version, communication settings, wiring mode, nominal frequency, PT ratios, CT ratios, and more. PAS is now configured for connection to an EM133-XM using TCP IP Modbus TCP communications. For further assistance or advanced training, SATEC is here to support you. We look forward to supporting you in your journey with power analysis software.